Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube Premium not downloading videos. So, if you're a YouTube Premium subscriber but your videos aren't downloading, try these steps to fix your issue. The first step that you can try is navigating to YouTube. Now after YouTube opens up, you'll have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now click on the settings icon at the top right. Now, from these options, scroll down, navigate to the option that says Video and Audio Preferences and click on Downloads. Now, this will show up this page where you can easily see that option that says Download over Wi-Fi only. So if you have toggled this switch on, you'll only be able to download your videos over Wi-Fi, not over the internet connection. So, make sure you toggle this switch off and simply turn off YouTube, then open it again and simply download any video you want. Now, another way to fix this problem is checking your subscription status. So, you'll have to make sure that your YouTube Premium membership is active. Simply navigate to YouTube app, navigate to Profile, then navigate to the settings icon at the top right and click on Purchases and Memberships. Now, here you'll have to make sure that you have your subscription status as active, and if it's inactive, simply renew your subscription and you'll be able to download the videos. Another way to fix this problem is checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or data connection because poor connectivity can stop downloads. Now, step 3 is updating the YouTube application. Simply navigate to Play Store, search for YouTube, then click on YouTube and make sure you click on the update button that will appear here. So if you haven't updated it, update it by navigating to App Store or Play Store and that could also fix the problem. Now, another way to fix this problem is enabling downloads over mobile data. So, if you're using mobile data, simply navigate to Settings, then search for Downloads. Now, click on Auto Download over Wi-Fi and make sure you toggle this switch on. Now, another way to fix this problem is checking storage space. So make sure that your device has enough storage space to download the videos because YouTube needs space to save downloaded videos. Now, another way to fix this problem is simply navigating to Settings, then searching for Apps, then search for YouTube, click on YouTube and scroll down, then choose Storage. Now, click on the Clear Cache button that you're going to see here. After you click on Clear Cache, all the temporary files that will be stored from YouTube will be instantly cleared and you'll have to simply then go back to YouTube and that will instantly fix your problem. And if none of these steps work, what you'll have to simply do is go to Play Store, click on Uninstall button under YouTube, click on Uninstall again, then try reinstalling YouTube and that will surely fix your problem. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you that not all videos are downloadable. If the download button is grayed out, the video might be restricted from downloading by the creator. Also, if these steps don't work, you'll have to simply open YouTube, go to Settings, then scroll down and navigate to Send Feedback. And you can easily connect with YouTube support and they will surely fix your problem. So, these were the ways through which you can fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.